So compensation point. Actually, you have to tell me now, what is this one? What is this one? The equation is clear, right? Students? Students, is my equation?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what is this equation? What is this equation?
Photosynthesis.
Very
Photosynthesis.
good, very good. Okay. Now, this reaction is reverse back. Okay, this reverse back. Okay. What is this reaction? Compensation point. Okay, I am going to teach you compensation point. This you said photosynthesis reaction. If this reaction is reverse back, and energy is released. Okay, energy is released. What is this reaction? Reverse.
Respiration.
Very good, very good. Okay. If you clear this one, now you can understand the compensation point. What is compensation point? Is that, okay, photosynthesis producing glucose. Okay. Respiration is breaking glucose. Therefore, if photosynthesis make 10 glucose, and your respiration eat 10 glucose, break 10 glucose. Okay. So energy saving is 0. You got photosynthesis making 10 glucose. For example, 10 glucose. And the respiration breaking glucose is 10 glucose. So energy saving is 0. This is compensation point. Okay, compensation point is, then it's very clear. It's good. It's good. Yeah. The compensation point is rate of photosynthesis. Rate of photosynthesis is equal to rate of respiration. Okay, so the rate of photosynthesis is equal to rate of respiration. This is compensation point. For example, it can be like this. Okay, just a minute. So rate of photosynthesis equal to rate of respiration. It means uptake of CO2 in photosynthesis equal to release of uptake and release. Okay, release of O2, release of CO2 in respiration. You catch the point? Uptake of CO2 in photosynthesis is equal to release of CO2 in respiration. This is also a compensation point. Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. In other term, uptake of, okay, release of oxygen in photosynthesis is equal to uptake of oxygen in respiration. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, so the compensation point is, okay, the rate of photosynthesis equal to rate of respiration. So this compensation point is very important in terms of plants. If plant is not growing, that means they are in the compensation point. You are planting, and suppose you are planting in your home some tree. Tell me some tree or some kind of crops. Do you grow some plants in your home? Students,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
what plant? Any plant name which you are growing?
Papaya.
Yeah, papaya. So the papaya is not giving fruits. What it means? After maturation, the papaya is not giving fruits. What it means? Please explain. The papaya you are growing in your home, after some time it should give some fruits, but the fruits is not coming. Why?
Because uptake and release are equal.
Yes, actually, maybe they are in the compensation point. They are in the compensation point because there is no storage of fruits. There is no storage of, there is not more production of glucose because they may not have much leaf. They may not have much leaf, or they are not taking much water. So there's a lot of factor involved. But if they are in the compensation point, the fruit won't come. This can be explained by a graph. The graph I will. So my screen is somewhat visible, right?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay. So compensation point can be explained by the. Okay. By the graph. Okay. This is light intensity. This is CO2 release. CO2 release in respiration. Okay, and this is CO2 uptake. CO2 uptake in photosynthesis. Okay, light intensity. Very important. Photosynthesis need light. Very important. The photosynthesis need light. Therefore, it will happen during the daytime. Okay. But respiration is not like that. Respiration all the time it happen in the plant. Remember. Okay. Light intensity. It is low and high. Low and high. Low means night. High means noon. Okay? Remember, light intensity is low, light intensity is high in the noon. It's a daytime. Okay? The respiration is constant. Respiration is throughout the day is constant. But the photosynthesis, no photosynthesis occur in night. No photosynthesis occur in night. Okay? And respiration is all the time. So, your photosynthesis rate should increase over respiration. Then only you get fruits. So, here, CO2 release in the respiration during night time. So here, just remember, this is CO2 release increasing in the respiration and CO2 uptake increase in photosynthesis. Depends on the light intensity. Okay. Now CO2 is releasing. Okay. And low light and increasing, and photosynthesis normal. So this is the graph you get every day in the plant. Okay, this one, this is a night time. This is a night time, no photosynthesis. Night time, no photosynthesis. Therefore, this is the rate of respiration is more than rate of photosynthesis. Right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. And the daytime, this is night time. Then morning comes. Morning somewhat light. Then the photosynthesis start. Okay, the photosynthesis start, and okay, this is almost this is night maybe. Okay, night around evening, okay, 10 to morning, 10 p.m. to morning 5 p.m. Okay, then this is around 11 p.m. Okay, 11 p.m. So 11 a.m. sorry, 11 a.m. In 11 a.m. too much light, so the photosynthesis will increase and it will reach the saturation point. Saturation point is too much light. Too much light also not good for plant. They will warm up, the plant will get more heat. So therefore the limitation factor is temperature by the light. Okay. So remember this one. Now the compensation point. So here rate of photosynthesis is greater than rate of respiration. This rate of respiration is more, here rate of photosynthesis is more. Now you have a point here. In this point, the rate of respiration and the rate of photosynthesis is 0. It's equal. It's mean equal. There is no gain, there is no loss. Okay, there's no gain, there's no loss. This is compensation point. This is a compensation point. Normally compensation point, when it will occur? Okay, when it will occur? During this one, sunset, during sun rise. Okay. Okay. So the thing is that the photosynthesis during morning time and during evening time, sunset and sunrise, that photosynthesis is equal to respiration. There is no gain and there is no loss. Okay. So the thing is, it has to overcome the respiration, then only the fruit will come. Okay, remember that one. So today class, it's all about compensation point. If you have any question, you can ask me.